Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And it just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And given cryptos are open 24/7, this chart is going to continue to take shape and transform over the weekend. So it'll allow me to keep this video as relevant as possible, by just talking about some of more so, the broader levels. And really what's interesting right now as I talk, during the recording, is that we have a potential breakdown underway right now. So that segues perfectly into the first question you need to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this on Sunday afternoon. Ask yourself, where does the price stand relative to 33 cents, which is what this green line is representing? If you're watching it and it's at 31 cents, well, that would imply that this is truly the beginning of a bigger bearish breakdown and the price has gotten continuation. On the flip side, maybe the price is up at 34, 35, and at that point, this would just be, what we're witnessing right now would just have been a false breakdown and the bulls have, regained control. So you kind of have the benefit of the doubt. As I sit here, I got to wait and see what actually happens. But again, if you have the advantage of time and you're watching this Saturday or Sunday, then you're going to know exactly whether or not this was a true breakdown to the downside or not. If it does continue to separate, there does seem to be a little miniature area of support right here at the 32-cent mark. So definitely if you're watching this and the price is even below 32 cents at the time of you're watching it, then that would be a sign that, yeah, the bears are really starting to pick back up the momentum and such. But again, if the price is above 33, that means that, false breakdown and the bulls are still have a fighting chance. On the flip side, though, if you're watching this, and let me actually adjust this line down, and the price is above that green line, the next question would be, well, where does the price stand relative to 35.5 cents? Because that is going to be the current level of resistance. You can see over the past couple of days, there's been a couple instances where the price has hovered right around that area and hasn't been able to quite push above it. So that'll be that key level of resistance, where if the price is up above there when you're watching it, then yeah, the bulls would be in that situation that the story at that point would be bulls are having a very strong weekend. However, right now that's not looking like very likely given there's a breakdown underway here, but still a lot of time over the weekend. So yeah, good kind of timing on my part in terms of seeing what's going on here, but a lot of time left. So I'll see you back on Monday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.